If startup online seller ka pa lang at need mo ng help sa tax filing this third quarter, kaso hindi mo pa afford mag-hire ng accountant, I invite you to my 2-day tax filing webinar on October 11 and 13, 6 p.m. Ano yung matututunan mo? Number 1, business registration. Number 2, tax types. Number 3, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok. Anong sales yung i-declare? Number 4, third quarter tax filing. Number 5, withholding tax reporting, South 2307. Number 6, bookkeeping, focus lang sa cash receipt book. Number 7, invoicing. Number 8, tax mapping and BIR audit. Number 9, BIR penalties. May additional topics din tayong pag-uusapan. Number 1, how to file and record your affiliate income. Number 2, ano ba yung mga need gawin kapag mixed income earner ka? Number 3, ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng gross sales, net sales, at saka gross remittance? Number 4, paano ba mag-switch from 3% to 8% or vice versa? And number 5, paano ba kino-compute yung withholding tax ni platform? Now, kung gusto mong matutunan lahat to, all you need to do is to join my group, Easy Tax PH, Tax and Business Community for Online Sellers. Pagpasok mo dyan, i-click mo lang yung featured post at basahin mong mabuti yung complete instructions. Note that this webinar is for online sellers na naka non-VAT 8% and 3% OSD lang. If you are willing to invest your time and money, this is for you. So, kita-kits and sana yumaman tayong lahat.